Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to get 1000 watch time hours within the space of less than 24 hours. So if you are looking on how to get 4,000 watch hours, or you are looking at how to boost your watch time hours, maybe you are working towards the 4,000 hours for your monetization, then watch this video till the very end, because it's definitely going to help you with tricks and strategies that I actually use in order for me to get 1000 watch time hours within the space of 24 hours, even less than 24 hours. Right now I'm going to be sharing with you my screenshot and also the video recording of my YouTube studio, so that you know that this is actually not a BS. Right, okay, so I actually got 1000 watch time hours within the space of less than 24 hours in my other YouTube channel that I'm actually growing to monetization, and I'm going to show you how I actually did it. So let's dive straight into my YouTube analytics so that I can show you how this came about, and then we'll come back and talk about what I did that actually helps me to get these 1000 watch time hours within the space of less than 24 hours. So this is my YouTube studio, and this is the views that this video has gotten. This video got 18,871 views as at the time, and this video has given me 1000 plus watch time hours. You can see that it is 22 hours below, right? And this video has also given me 332 subscribers, right? You can actually see that it is stating 22 hours ago. So this video is just fresh. It's not even up to 24 hours. Your videos can actually do better like this. Now for the reach of this video, the impression I got is a 110,000 plus impression, and 11% of it were my click-through rate, which gave me the 18,000 plus views. I'm going to open up the watch time hours so that we talk about that one, because that is basically what we want to talk about in this particular video. So let me open the watch time hours, basically, so that you will see that it was not something that I'm just making up. So for the watch time hours, I got 1000 watch time hours, and you can see that it's saying 22 hours ago. For the average view duration, it is 3.11, meaning people watch this video for 3 minutes plus. So let me open the watch time hours. Okay, so the watch time hours here is 1006.2. That is what I have gotten in less than 21 hours. You can see from below that it's saying 21 hours. Now when I initially uploaded this video, it was not gaining any traction, but after a few hours it started picking up just like that, and within that 21 hours you can see that it is already having 1000 watch time hours, right? You can actually upload just one video like this and it's going to do well. So by the time you upload like 3 of this kind of videos or 4 of this kind of videos, you must have gotten your 4000 watch time hours. But then again, let me tell you what exactly I did that actually helped this video to, get this kind of attraction within the shortest time possible, so that you also can replicate it and get the results that I got. So let me tell you what I did. I hope that you have seen that it is not a BS, right? It is something that I actually did. So some of the things that I basically do to enable me get my video to rank that much and get that lots of views, so that I'll be able to, get the watch time hours that I need, was number one, I actually hopped on a trending video. That particular video that I uploaded, of course I didn't know as at the time I uploaded the video that it was a trending video, right? I just got the information and I wanted to share it, and then when I shared that video later on, when the video started picking up and doing well, I realized that it was a trending topic. Like the topic was something as at the point people were talking about. So if you are looking for a way to skyrocket your watch time hours, please go ahead and jump on trendy videos that are relating to your niche. Do not jump on trending videos that are outside your niche, because if you do that, by the time you get your 4000 watch time hours, probably you will definitely get subscribers, because of course from that video you saw that I got almost 400 subscribers from that video, right? And these people are going to be eager to want to see more of the kind of content that brought them, more of the kind of videos that actually attracted them, which was the video that you posted. So make sure that when you are going into trending videos, or when you want to do trending videos, make sure it is aligning with your niche. Make sure it is part of your niche, so that when you continually post your regular videos, it is something that is relatable, and it is something that your audience will continually watch. You don't want to do a trending video, or you don't want to jump into trends that you may not be able to sustain, right? Because of course, using trends to grow your YouTube channel is not also the best thing to do, but make sure that it is relating to your niche. If it is relating to your niche, then it is not going to be a bad idea, right? The number two thing that I did that actually helped me to get that video to give me 1,000 watch time hours was that I already have lots of other videos in my YouTube channel. Now, I see a lot of people worried about how to get subscribers or how to get watch time hours to be able to monetize, and yet they've not even uploaded videos up to 20 in their YouTube channel. Before you start complaining about low views or no subscribers or whatnot, make sure that you have, or you are targeting yourself towards the 100 video mark. The 100 video mark is the point where you've uploaded up to 100 videos and still you are not getting any traction. If you've gotten 100 video mark and you're not getting traction, then that is when you should be worried about your YouTube channel. But if you've not gotten to the point where you've uploaded 100 YouTube videos and you are complaining about the traction that you have not gotten, then you are wrong. Because of course, this particular channel that I showed you, that was like the 30-second video that I uploaded that actually got that traction. So keep uploading videos. Make sure that you are uploading videos regularly on your YouTube channel. If you are uploading videos on a regular basis on your YouTube channel, you don't know the one that the algorithm is going to pick. Now, another reason why you should continue uploading videos regularly on your YouTube channel is because the algorithm is still, trying to understand who your videos are for or what your channel is all about, right? And once the algorithm pick on what your video is doing, once the algorithm understands what your video is doing, who your videos are for, who your audiences are for, definitely they will start sending out your videos. And that is why it is good to continually upload videos that are related to each other, right? To continually upload videos that are related to each other, so that once an individual watches one of your video, the individual is going to see another video that will be also interesting and relatable, and the individual will want to watch. Now, if an individual continually watch your videos, for example, the person watched 1 and went to 2 and went to 3, just like that, it's going to pass a message to the algorithm that your videos are interesting, and the algorithm is going to start sending out or pushing out your videos more to your audience. So make sure that you are uploading regularly. Number 3 thing that I did on that channel that enabled that video to actually gain the traction that it gained was the fact that I was in a niche. I see a lot of people just sidelining this part of growing on YouTube. You may not be able to make it well here on YouTube if you are not in a niche, right? You have to figure out what you want to do here on YouTube. You have to figure out the category of persons that you want to be talking to on YouTube. You cannot be creating content for everybody and anybody on YouTube. You have to be strategic about it, right? You have to figure out who the people that you are talking about is, who are your audience, who are those targeted people that you want to be watching your content, right? And for you to be able to do that, you need to be in a niche. You need to be in a category of producing a kind of videos that are relatable or that are almost the same. Let's take, for example, once talking about having a niche is that if you love to cook, that means you are in a cooking niche. If you start creating videos about cooking, that means you are in a cooking niche. If you love fashion, you love to vlog your life, you love to show people your day-to-day activities, that is lifestyle niche. It means that people that love to see other people's lifestyle are definitely going to watch your video. So you want to make sure that you are in a niche. You want to make sure that you are creating a video, or you want to make sure that you are creating videos that are relating to a set of persons, right, that can actually watch your videos. These are some of the things that actually helped me. It's not something that I have not done. This is something that I have done that actually helped that video, to gain the traction that it needs. So if you want to gain the traction, you want to get that 4,000 watch hours, or you want to boost your watch time hours, you want to get more, because even while you are monetized, you will need your watch time hours to get paid, or to make more money, or to make good money on YouTube. So watch time hours is something that you will continually need to look for on YouTube. And for you to do or to get watch time hours on YouTube, just do all of these things that I have mentioned or that I'm mentioning in this particular video. So if you love content about growing here on YouTube, and if you want me to teach you some of the things that I have done on my YouTube channels to be able to help me monetize 3 YouTube channels, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. Do not forget to like this video, you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.